Hey, real talk, let's flip the usual angle on this. You know how some systems feel powerful on paper but still leave you waiting, distracted, or making excuses mid-session? That's exactly what the Skytech Legacy 4 stops before it even starts. This is for the kind of person who doesn't settle for good enough. You're tired of spinning up your PC and feeling like part of your workflow, or your gameplay, is stuck in traffic. You want a machine that thinks ahead of you, lets you stay in the zone, and doesn't make you negotiate performance every time you boot up. Before you go any deeper, check the current price and availability. Desktops this capable don't stay in stock long, and hesitation almost always becomes regret later. There's usually a precise moment that nudges someone toward this level of hardware. Maybe you saved frames in your mind for years, but in reality, that slowdown was stealing your focus. Maybe large projects began to feel like endurance tests instead of progress sessions. Maybe in multiplayer, you felt your hardware blink when the action got serious. That wasn't you hitting a ceiling, it was your setup asking for an upgrade. The first week with this feels like unlocking flow state on demand. You stop watching load times, you stop juggling background tasks, you stop worrying whether your system can keep up. Everything just works fast, instant responsiveness, ultra-smooth visuals, and consistent power that stays calm even when you push it. Imagine intense sessions where games never dip, where every frame feels locked in, and where the world doesn't stutter when things get chaotic. Imagine editing, rendering, and multitasking as if there's always extra horsepower waiting in reserve. It doesn't feel like speed, it feels like certainty. Once you live with that, going back feels like stepping into a drag race with bicycle gears. If you're thinking you might wait on this, don't assume prices or stock will be better tomorrow. Check availability now. Upgrades like this rarely sit at stable prices for long. You might wonder if this level of performance is too much. That doubt melts the first time you fire up a heavy project and it just plows through, or when a new AAA title runs without compromise. It's not excess, it's confidence. Here's something most people don't expect, it actually reframes how you approach your time. When your hardware stops arguing with you, you think more clearly, work more smoothly, and enjoy the experience instead of managing it. Owning something like this gives your entire setup a sense of completeness. You feel like you chose power instead of settling for pace. Games stay rocksteady even under pressure. Loads and transitions feel instant. Massive apps and projects breathe easy. Multitasking feels effortless and calm. Your setup feels like a foundation, not a compromise. It occupies real desk and power capacity, not the lightest fit for tiny spaces. At some point, the comparison loop doesn't serve you anymore. You stop scanning benchmarks and realize you already feel the difference in daily use. Choosing stops being about specs and starts being about satisfaction. If you're ready to step out of limits and into a system that keeps up with you without apology, check the current price and availability of the Skytech Legacy 4 now. Don't let this be another upgrade you think about tomorrow, only to wish you'd made the move today.